Hey, ninth graders, I'd like to share with y'all something very cool. So let's get to it. Here you see on my screen, I'm typing in PhET simulations, which you just have to type in PhET. First thing to pop up is what we're looking for, which is the first one, New Sims. As you can see, this is created by the University of Colorado Boulder, so it's a very reliable website. There's a lot you can find on it. There's simulations for fellow educators. There's teaching. There's research if you're writing a research paper. There's information on accessibility and just so much more. It's very helpful. So today I want to hone in, though. I don't have time to go over the whole thing. I want to hone in on biology because although it says biology, this actually relates to our comprehensive health in high school. We're going to be focusing on physical and standard 2, physical and personal wellness. More specifically, we want to analyze the benefits of a healthy diet and consequences of an unhealthy diet. So this simulation right here that my little clicker is on, this is going to help us analyze and describe relationships among healthy eating, physical activity, and chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, etc. And that's our evidence outcome for these standards. So it's really important how all this aligns. You know, we're doing this for a reason. We're not doing this just to have fun. It hopefully will be fun. I thought so myself, and I thought this is really creative, but let's get to it. So really all you need is Java, and I personally have Windows, but it tells you what you need for the different types of software. So you just click on this, it's free download. Once it's downloaded, you can then click here, and I already have that clicked, so I'm just going to open it up to save us time.